is wrong with this market. There's war, oil is rising, inflation is creeping back, and yet crypto is pumping. Not just pumping, it's holding strength like nothing is happening. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. This is not a normal rally. And if you don't understand why it's happening, you are about to become exit liquidity. Because behind this move, there are two forces most people are ignoring: a global crisis and a silent regulatory shift that is changing everything. And when these two collide, markets don't behave normally. They transform. Let's start with what everybody can see. War doesn't just create fear, it creates inflation. Oil prices rise, transport costs rise, everything becomes expensive. And when that happens, money starts running, but not randomly. Strategically, traditionally, during times like this, money moves into gold, silver, because they are trusted. They've survived wars, collapses, and decades of uncertainty. And yes, right now, gold is rising, silver is following. That part is normal. But what's not normal is what crypto is doing. Here's where things get controversial. Crypto is rising not just because of war, but because of regulation. Specifically, what's happening around the Crypto Clarity Act. Now pay attention. When there was progress and support for the bill, Bitcoin surged towards $74,000 and the entire market followed. But when the bill stalled, crypto prices pulled back and lost momentum. Even institutions like Citi reduced price expectations because of delays. What does that tell you? Crypto is no longer moving on hype alone. It is now reacting to policy and institutional confidence. Let's simplify it. The Clarity Act does one thing. It removes uncertainty. And when uncertainty is removed, big money enters. Banks, asset managers, ETFs. They've been waiting on the sidelines because of regulation. Once clarity comes, they don't test small. They deploy capital aggressively. That's why analysts expect institutional adoption to increase, capital inflow to rise, and long-term crypto prices to move higher. But here's the twist. The market is already pricing this in early. That's why you're seeing strength now. Let's talk about where the smart money is rotating next. AI coins. Because right now, crypto is merging with artificial intelligence. And this is not hype. This is infrastructure. We're seeing AI plus blockchain powering payment side, agents using crypto for transactions, massive investment flowing into AI-driven systems. Even stablecoin networks are being integrated into AI systems. But here's the reality most people won't tell you. The AI narrative already had a bubble in traditional markets. Big tech is spending hundreds of billions, and some investors are already questioning returns. So what does that mean for AI coins? Selectivity matters. This is no longer by anything AI fix. Investors are now focusing on real utility revenue, strong infrastructure. So let's bring everything together. Right now, the market is being driven by war, driving oil, and inflation. Gold, confirming fear, crypto gives. Absorbing institutional capital, regulation gives. Increasing confidence, AI, attracting speculative rotation. This is not a simple bull market. This is a transition phase. Let's be honest. This move has two layers. Short-term, driven by where oil spikes headlines. This can reverse quickly. Long-term, driven by Regulation Clarity Act. Institutional adoption, AI integration. This is structural, so no. This is not just a pump. But yes, there will be pullbacks. Now let's talk about what you should actually do. 1. Do not chase the market if you're buying after a pump. You are late. 2. Wait for dips caused by news. Example: Clarity Act delays were de-escalation, market fear spikes. These are your best entries. 3. Watch this like a pro. Oil rising, bullish, crypto, gold rising, confirms. Hedge narrative, Clarity Act progress bullish. Continuation, Clarity Act delay, short-term dips. 4. Approach AI coins carefully. Don't just buy hype. Focus on real use case, strong ecosystem backed by major infrastructure. 5. Enter in layers, never go all in. Smart money, buy slowly, adds on dip scales. Out on hype. Let me say something clearly. Most people entering the market right now don't understand what is happening. They are buying because price is going, not because they understand war cycles, inflation flows, regulatory impact, and that is why they lose. If this opened your eyes, then you're already ahead of most traders. Subscribe right now. Because on this channel, we don't just follow the market, we decode it. And if you want me to break down the best AI coins to watch and exact entry zones commit, next move, I'll drop that video next. The is evolving. Crypto is no longer just speculation. It is becoming part of the global financial system, and the people who understand this shift early won't just make profits. They will position themselves for the future.